Meet your host. My name is Brett Ingram and I'm excited to show you exactly how to build your own graphic design agency in minutes from home without any team or outsourcing, even if you have zero skills or experience. Here's why I'm qualified to help you. I'm a top 1% seller and affiliate on JVZoo, and I've created dozens of software apps that automate and simplify digital marketing. I've sold millions, won awards, and was even featured in a NY Times best-selling author's book. I know how to do this and I can show you how to do it, too. This site is not a part of the Facebook website or Facebook Inc. Additionally, this site is not endorsed by Facebook in any way. Facebook is a trademark of Facebook Inc. Copyright all rights reserved, terms and conditions privacy policy software license disclaimer. The information contained in this presentation and product is for education purposes only. This is information designed to help you understand the specific information covered. It is not an attempt to render tax, legal, or business advice. This is not a business opportunity. How you use the information is entirely up to you. While every effort has been made to accurately represent the information along with my opinions and insights, any claims made or examples given, although believed to be accurate, should not be relied on in any way in making a decision whether or not to purchase. We have made absolutely every effort to accurately represent this product and its potential. Despite this, there is no guarantee that you will earn any money using the techniques and ideas in these materials. Examples in these materials are not to be interpreted as a promise or guarantee of earnings. Earning potential is entirely dependent on the person using our product, ideas, and techniques. We do not purport this as a get-rich-quick scheme. The techniques are proven, but their capacity to generate wealth is based purely on the determination, commitment, and willingness of the individual concerned. As with any business, your results may vary, and will be based on your individual capacity, business experience, expertise, and level of desire. There are no guarantees concerning the level of success you may experience. The testimonials, if any, and examples used are exceptional results, which do not apply to the average purchaser, and are not intended to represent or guarantee that anyone will achieve the same or similar results. Each individual's success depends on his or her background, dedication, desire, and motivation. There is no assurance that examples of past earnings can be duplicated in the future. We cannot guarantee your future results and/or success. There are some unknown risks in business and on the internet that we cannot foresee, which can reduce results. We are not responsible for your actions. Materials in our product and our website may contain information that includes or is based upon forward-looking statements within the meaning of the Securities Litigation Reform Act of 1995. Forward-looking statements give our expectations or forecasts of future events. You can identify these statements by the fact that they do not relate strictly to historical or current facts. They use words such as anticipate, estimate, expect, project, intend, plan, believe, and other words and terms of similar meaning in connection with a description of potential earnings or financial performance. The use of our information, products, and services should be based on your own due diligence, and you agree that our company is not liable for any success or failure of your business that is directly or indirectly related to the purchase and use of our information, products, and services. As with any business endeavor, there is an inherent risk of loss of capital, and there is no guarantee that you will earn any money. It's up to you to decide what level of risk is appropriate for you. If you cannot afford, or will not use, this product, do not buy it. Please read all agreements, notices, and disclaimers before purchasing anything.